What's going on, everybody? David from Motorspeed here. We are going off-road today. A little bit rare. We got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This is a 4x4. It's got 285 horsepower, 260 torque, I believe, or it's the other way around. It's got 2-speed transfer case with low range. It's got some lift on here, Fox shocks, upgraded wheels. The engine bay is looking very, very clean. She purrs, only has 107,000 miles. Fantastic shape. And it has all these cool American flag details from the hood to the handles here and the back. This has the Pentastar 3.6 liter, which is an upgrade from the last 3.8 liter, I believe. Interior is very, very clean. The top is in great shape. These back seats as well are in excellent condition. Everything works like it should. Let's see here. The doors on there. You can make it. We'll play with that in a bit once we hop inside. I'll give you a profile shot. What I'll actually do is put down this hood so you can see what it's looking like over here with the hood closed as well. There she goes. And these you just open and open and close them as you please. You don't need to pop any trunk inside, so you need to make sure those are good. Oh, I just noticed these are American flag too. But she's got the bar in the front, some fog lights there. Like I said, Fox shocks. And the best thing about these, it's like Performance Series, is that there's so many aftermarket parts for these. They're like Miatas. They're relatively fully depreciated while still maintaining their value incredibly, as you likely are aware. But this generation and the TJs and the older generation, they're a little bit harder to come by. Clean ones, clean title with low miles. And so these will be going up in price. They are very, very nice vehicles and a huge upgrade from some of the older ones. This is like a modern car. It's not even, you wouldn't guess that it's capable of doing some crazy off-road things. Some solid doors here. So lots of aftermarket accessories for these. You can pimp them out however you'd like. Recreate, pimp my ride. Some nice little aftermarket things. Those are nice, you know, when you're off-roading and a rock might hit it and then it chips it. Not anymore. This is nice and covered up. We haven't checked the condition, but considering these are in pretty brand new shape, I'm assuming that one's in decent shape as well. We got a fire extinguisher back here. This is pretty cool. Not sure what this is for, actually. I'm not much of a Jeep guy, but I do know this thing is decked out, and I wish I had more information on all the goodies that are on it officially, but I don't. But I do see that it's pretty decked out overall, and so I know she's a good one, and it rides so smooth on the freeway. I was actually surprised with these wheels. And these are, what are they? 117, 70, 285, 70, 17-inch wheels, but the tires are a lot bigger. So let's hop in here real quick. Okay. Everything blows nice in here. Nice and cold. Let's go here. This is the 4 high, 4 low. We got this eject button here. That's funny. So here she is. 107. Cool little holder here. You got some space there. This is good to hang on to. You got some speakers up here. The lights all work. This top comes off pretty easily here with these guys. So that's nice. And you even have these, which usually maybe you wouldn't have. So that's pretty cool. Got another handler here. Wild boar. So you can hang on tight both sides. Little tweeter there. And there's that hood. AC blows super nice and cold. And of course, the AC or the radio all works, all that.
Discover is accepted and
there you have it. You even have cup holders here on the side. That's pretty cool. And I like this build here. There's a very rugged kind of materials here. This is the door handle. There's just a little cup here, and this is flat here. So it's kind of interesting hold. And again, all of these doors, I believe, come off pretty easily. You just unhook that. And then, well, it looks like you might have to actually do these. I know the older ones were like a puzzle. You could just take apart. These doors don't want to close very well either. You gotta close them kind of well. It's kind of G-Wagon vibes a little bit. I think the G-Wagons were damn near made off of Jeeps just because they kind of share some of the similarities. But here she is. Here's this Jeep in particular. It ain't a G-Wagon. It's also not G-Wagon price. It's actually a lot of value for this vehicle. Check out our website for updated pricing. And I know I prefer a lot of on-road activities, motorcycles, cars, fast cars, whatever. But I went on some adventures with the Jeep, with the old Jeeps, and man, it was so much fun. It was like dirt biking I'm familiar with off-road, but in a vehicle off-road, we did some snow stuff, and it was so much fun. And so this is a vehicle I want to spend more time with, taking on a couple trips. Hopefully you guys don't buy here too soon from me, because by the time you see this, I'll be ready to sell it. So hit me up. We got cars, trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes for sale, a number of other things. motor-speed.com. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace. Boom.